Hi Agnes, are you ready for your interview?
Sure, and that's counted as one question.
Whoops.
So, Agnes, what are you doing now?
Well, I'm writing a mighty wow curriculum with my robot friends. They're really precious to me.
Wow, so what's your wallpaper like?
Top secret.
Hey Agnes, describe the WOW curriculum.
Awesome, results-oriented and powerful.
Tell us about the latest story that you've written for the curriculum.
Well, if you give me what I want, I'll tell you. How about carrots?
No problem.
Ooh, cute. And roses?
Here you go.
Nice. And balloons?
Ta-da!
Wow, you have everything! But I'm sorry, this story is meant exclusively for our students here at Writers at Work.
What? Give it back to me.
No, they're mine.
Okay, Agnes, if you're not a teacher, you will be a...
Magician.
Nice. So what's your best trick?
Well, I can write a story within 30 minutes.
Whoa, any other talents?
How about reading the crystal ball? I can see your future.
Will I be meeting my Prince Charming soon?
Ooh, in fact you have. There!
Oh, it's not about you, Serena. Agnes, can you look into your crystal ball and tell us next year's PSLE composition question?
Well, that's for me to know and for you to find out. I'll only share that with our WOW students here. And that's your last question. Time for you guys to go. Bye!
Bye.
Well, hello everyone. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to know how our team of teachers here help our students to score an A star for your PSLE English competition, do visit our website at writersatwork.com.sg and check out our Facebook too. I hope to see you at WOW soon. Bye!